I'm not in street clothes this year. I was actually got to suit up, but difference was I got bigger, got stronger, worked harder, and I made it here. That was my goal this year. I got goals for next year. I got goals for the year after that. I made my goal this year. Finals this year didn't turn out the way I wanted to, but my prelims were pretty good. Just got to work on some stuff. My brushstroke a little bit. My IM was my first 100 was a little soft, but other than that, it's pretty good meet. Yeah, first state meet, it's always gonna be nerves. Yesterday, so I was pretty nervous. I was shaking a little bit, but moved up a little bit. My IM got went a faster time. Breaststroke, I had a little nerves. I think I was a little bit more confident, a little bit more cocky. My breast went a little slower. That's it. I was tired. It's been a long week. Same way that swimming in NEO and biking last year did. Whole new different level of competition. I want a donut too. Got me prepared. Had the experience actually now, and can't wait till next year to see what I can do.